Vincenzo's go crypto investing, and when there's the time to strike, there's the time to strike. And if you want to make moves, if you want to change your standard of living and enhance the quality of your life, you must take risk, you must take chances. And when there's a time to strike, you strike, and the time is now to strike. And what we're looking to strike on is a phenomenal bear market rally in multiple coins, multiple different ways to attack this. And the way we're choosing to attack it is to diagnose the opportunity, which is a phenomenal bear market rally in the Bitcoin price. And now the rest of these altcoins that have some utility, as you know, I'm not the biggest crypto fanatic on the planet, but the ones that do have some utility are worth the risk. And Cardano, the former high flyer, remember this? The man holding the bowling ball in a club foot right here. Look at how much we're down. And this is the kind of opportunities we're talking about. From the top, we dumped 92% and we're down 86% at current price. Now, the opportunity there is for the big massive rally to continue back up and to get back into this range. And that's where I'm forecasting it to go. I'm playing a nice rally to close in on $1 here. Cardano, we've upped our position. We've added $300 more to Cardano. And we're expecting upwards of 100% rally from current price based off of what the Bitcoin price has done. And if we look at what the Bitcoin price has done, you can see we're rallying all the way back to the mean of the volume into this area. And I'm thinking, especially these three coins that are just starting to move, I think Cardano is going to get back into the same area where Bitcoin is, and that is Bitcoin's in this area right now. I think Cardano's going there, and that's why we're striking XLM. I think XLM is going up here because this is currently where Bitcoin has, and if you compare it to the trading, the mean of the volume, and the technicals, Bitcoin's already up here, and I think XLM is going to skyrocket up to there. That's why we have positioned our way in after from the top. XLM crashing better than 91%, and we are now down currently 87%, and we feel the signals are right to strike, and I'm expecting as much as 166% return on XLM over the next several weeks to maybe a month as this bear market rally continues, and the same thing with XLM or with Elgrand, a much harder hit. But we're taking a big gamble on here too, as I'm thinking we're coming all the way back up into the 52 to 78 cents to get back into this area to retest an oversold massive bear market rally. And this is the time to strike. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. And old Vincenzo is coming out shooting, and this is the most bullish old Vincenzo has ever been since he started making these cryptocurrency videos. I'm not a financial advisor. Should you take any of this advice and use it as financial advice? Absolutely not. I would encourage you not to, but this is the time to get educated, to make moves, to get some quick, easy cryptocurrency market money. Peace and love.